Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an event on the Journal application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy of to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find new different buttons. For example, the settings and the others. But new, if you want to create an event, just go to the lower bar and click to the second icon, the calendar at the lower bar. And here you can find the monthly or the weekly or per day calendar. If you want to create another one, click to the plus icon. And here you can add a title, you can set reminders, colors, info and others. And if you want to finish, click the save button, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.